against LGBTQ.
Farmers are complaining over what they term as inadequate fund allocation, unfriendly policies and taxation measures that hamper food production. Speaking at the annual general meeting held in Eldoret, Uasin Gishu County, Kenya National Farmers Federation Chief Exec, Dr. Mwenda Mailutha, said that the government should introduce more incentives in the sector to protect Kenyan farmers and boost the country's food security.
To the bank. When farmers come, farmers who farm on these lands, they get on our GDP from agri. If someone says no, if your banker says,
because we have a lot of transport.
Let me say Kenyans don't like pledging their own.
So yes, for youth out there, money is there.
When you look at extension, the provision of technical advisory services, there's a serious shortage of extension service providers, and there's a blame, because the national government will say it's not our work. The county government will say we do not have money to employ technical service providers. And we know that without these people, we cannot talk about optimal agricultural production and productivity.
We are going to suggest to the Parliamentary National Assembly Committee on Agriculture and Livestock that we have representation of these great men and women in various institutions or boards of institutions. So we'll petition, our CS will petition that, and we hope that it will receive favorable response from the committee.
Right. Human rights defenders and organizations have initiated plans to extend their call for